Welcome to the PoolLeads.ai intro video, in which we will be explaining our AI marketing services and how we can work together to grow your pool company. We have over 25 years of experience in the digital marketing field and a full US-based marketing team at your service. They are all trained in the latest AI marketing techniques and strategies. We currently handle over $1 million a month in Google AdWords spend and Facebook ad spend. We run our company with integrity, honesty, and accountability. We are very proud of our many industry awards, certifications, and exclusive partnerships. We have done all the hard work in learning all about AI marketing and the different softwares. By hiring us, you don't have to figure it all out for yourself. We have you covered so you can go about running your pool business while we handle the marketing aspect and drive new leads your way. Click the link on our website to download our free ebook and discover how AI-driven strategies can revolutionize your business by enhancing your digital footprint, automating customer interactions, and maximizing marketing ROI. We get it, you get hounded daily by marketing companies, and choosing one is almost worse than trying to buy a car. We make our process as seamless as possible, and we tell it like it is, no fluff. Our expertise in AI-driven strategies sets us apart, delivering real results with honesty and innovation. PoolLeads.ai offers specialized marketing expertise, ensuring faster and more effective results than an in-house team. Plus, we provide scalable marketing solutions at a fraction of the cost of hiring a full-time staff. Our AI-powered services include SEO, Google Ads, email marketing, and social media management, all designed to generate more leads and maximize your pool company's growth effortlessly. We offer one-off packages as well as all-inclusive packages. AI is transforming digital marketing by optimizing campaigns, enhancing engagement, and providing real-time insights, giving your pool company a competitive edge like never before. SEO helps your pool business rank at the top of Google search results, increasing traffic and leads. Our AI-driven SEO tactics, including content creation and link building, put your website in front of potential new customers. AI-powered Google Ads drive immediate leads, ensuring your marketing investment yields profitable returns. We optimize campaigns through AI split testing to maximize conversions and boost your revenue. Our AI-driven email campaigns deliver personalized, automated outreach to attract and retain clients. With AI-powered drip sequences and performance tracking, we ensure engagement and compliance with all recent marketing standards. AI-driven social media marketing keeps your brand relevant while expanding your audience. Frequent AI-optimized posts and targeted ads help generate a steady flow of high-quality leads from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Our team collaborates closely with you to develop and execute a powerful AI-driven marketing plan. From strategy to implementation, we ensure your pool company achieves maximum online growth. At PoolLeads.ai, our experts specialize in AI-driven marketing solutions tailored for pool companies. Our team includes SEO specialists, website builders, Facebook ad specialists, content creators, Google AdWords specialists, and email marketing professionals, all dedicated to the success and growth of your pool company. Our AI analytics provide in-depth tracking of website traffic, rankings, and conversions. You will receive monthly AI-driven ranking reports and ad reports, as well as a monthly call with your team leader, reviewing all progress. We prioritize clear, consistent communication with our clients because we know it's a major pain point in our industry. Unlike other companies, we make it our mission to keep you informed every step of the way. Our mission is to position your pool company in front of the right customers at the right time. Through AI-driven marketing, we help you attract, engage, and convert more quality leads into new paying customers. Our success depends on your growth, so let's achieve it together. Our projected timeline outlines each phase of your AI-powered marketing campaign, ensuring a strategic rollout that maximizes lead generation and business growth efficiently. Don't just take our word for it. Our clients have seen incredible growth using AI-powered marketing. From increased leads to fully booked schedules, PoolLeads.ai is transforming the pool marketing industry. We also have successful case studies you can view on our website as well, so make sure to click on the link in our menu. Thank you for learning about PoolLeads.ai. Visit our website or contact us today for a free AI marketing strategy consultation to see how our AI-driven marketing plans can take your pool company to the next level.